Hi there, in this video I want to tell you another very effective way to get rid of aphids on currants. Last time I showed you how to kill all the aphids on your plants at the beginning of the season without chemicals, using a mechanical method. If you haven't watched that video, be sure to do so. I will leave the link in the upper right corner. Those who have already seen the video, look, the tops have grown back. The gall aphid has already left my plant. These are old leaves. It is not present on the young leaves. And here there is nothing left of it. As you can see, the leaves are just the same, but they are no longer red. So the method I showed in the last video really works. But about a month later, I saw that aphids had reappeared on some of the tops. And again, ants began to spread it. There are not many of these places on the very tops. And to avoid cutting off the tops again, because there are very few such places, I will use a very effective folk remedy. To prepare it, you will need 300 grams of ash, which is about 11 ounces. If you don't have a scale, here's how you can measure it. Take any liter or 1 quart container and fill it completely with ash. As you can see, I put it on the scales and it turns out to be exactly 300 grams. I pour it into a large container and pour 2 liters of boiling water, which is about 2 quarts. I leave it for 1 day. Then I strain the solution. You can use old tights or you can, as I did, take a flour sieve. And then, in addition, we dissolve some laundry soap in hot water in a small container. Then we mix the ash infusion with soapy water, mix it, pour it into a sprayer, and with this solution we spray only the very tops where we have aphids. You can also spray those tops that do not yet have aphids so that they do not start there. It's very easy to do this with currants. We pick them up from the bottom and spray this solution there, because if you just spray it on top, it will have no effect. This is a contact agent, and it must get directly on the aphid itself. Only then will it disappear. It does not work very quickly, but within 2 to 3 days there will be no aphids on the tops. And it is not a chemical agent. It will not harm your crop, and it will also be an additional potassium and calcium fertilizer that will improve the taste of currants. So friends, be sure to watch my previous video, where I showed how I fought aphids without chemicals for the first time. And also make such a solution and use it. If you have a lot of currants, then for 10 liters of such a solution, you will need 1.5 kilograms of ash and half a bar of laundry soap. If the information from this video was useful to you, be sure to like it. Do not forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day, and I'll see you in the next videos.